In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your home address to Google Maps. Let's launch the Google Maps app. In the bottom menu, tap on You. In this menu, tap on Labeled. In here, you get two options, one for Home and one for Office. These are the Maps default label options, but you can add your own label by tapping on Add a Place. Adding your home address to Google Maps is important for several practical reasons. It helps with accurate navigation and ensures that delivery services such as food, parcels, or ride-sharing apps can find your location quickly and without confusion. It also improves location-based services like weather updates or emergency responses, which rely on accurate address data. In this menu, tap on Home. Here you get two options. The first option is Use your current location. That means Google will take the exact location from where you are using the app and save it as your home address. The second option is Choose on Map. If you use this, you will be able to choose your own location on the map. This can be helpful if you are away from home at that moment. Or you can just search your location in the top search bar. For this tutorial, I will tap on Choose on Map. Here you can see that a home icon is hovering above the map. Drag and zoom in your map and place your home below the home icon. After you have placed your home, tap on Save. Here, Google will show your pointed location and check if it is correct. If the location is incorrect, tap on Suggest and Edit. If the location is correct, tap on Done. Here you can see that my home address has been saved. At the right corner of the home address, tap on the three-dot icon. Here you get a few options. In the pop-up menu, you can share your home address or copy your address from here. You can also edit your address if you have changed your home location. If you don't need this label, you can also remove the location. Following these steps, you can add your home address to Google Maps easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.